Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Thank you for being here. And today I have my beauty empties, lots of things in here. So I'm going to share these today. So let's get going and see what we got in here. Okay friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. And if you want to support my channel, you can do so by subscribing, hitting the like button, leaving me a comment. I appreciate all of those things so much. So thank you for that. And so here we go. I'm going to get the first two things on top here. And most of, well, I have a little bit of everything in here. I don't have a lot of makeup because I just rarely empty my makeups because I use so many different ones. I don't like use one and finish it. I use like all kinds at one time. So, I mean, every day is something different. But anyway, I do love the Amika shampoo. I have the Amika shampoo and conditioner. Love this. I don't think I've tried the orange one. This was High Shine and Protect Antioxidant shampoo. I love it. I can't say enough about it. Your hair smells so good. Like you can smell it afterwards. Like it smells really good. And I've tested different shampoos, like how my hair feels after using them. And this one is one of the winners. So it's one that I go to that I love. I actually have one, maybe two sets of these in backstock because I try to get them when they go on sale. Because they are pricey. And so anyway, emptied these two, love them, can't say enough good things about them. And the next thing is a hair item. I have two actually. I have Invisidry shampoo, and this one is Dirty Secret. So this is Rockaholic. I don't think there's anything in here. Yeah, it's just blowing out air. But anyway, I actually really liked this. I used to get these glam bags in every month, and both of these are from one of those bags or boxes. This is Invisidry shampoo. It's invisible, which I like, and it's also a really good one. It sounds like there might be something in there. No, it's just air. All it's blowing is air. But anyway, both of these were good. I have a lot of dry shampoos. Will I buy them again? I doubt. I don't even know if I could find these. But anyway, I did like those. And I have another hair product. This is the liquid glass. This is the, let's see, Miracle. Can't read it without my glasses. This is bad. I love this product. It's from Drybar, and Drybar is just awesome. This is Miracle Smoothing Sealant. Okay, so I really love this. I would put it on and then style my hair. And anyway, I'm sad that it's gone. So I'm hoping it pops up again in a box or something, because Drybar products have tended to be some of my favorites right now. So anyway, love that. And then I went through another deodorant. I use the Dove, love the Dove spray. I always like a spray deodorant, so I love this. And so I went through another one. And I usually buy these in like 6-packs at Amazon, so they come cheaper. So I like that too. I know you can get these at Walmart. They have all kinds of different flavors or smells. So anyway, now, oh, there's one more thing for the shower. This was, I used this in the shower. This is the Lush Happy Skin. It's the facial exfoliant. And you guys, it's just gone. I love this stuff so much. I think I would go buy it again. It's probably one of the better exfoliants I've used. I have a couple others in the shower right now because I usually exfoliate in the shower. But this is a face exfoliant, and it's one of the best I've ever used. It just has the perfect texture. So I may have to buy it again. This is from Lush. I love Lush stuff. I love their smells. So anyway, that's a winner. And then so in skincare, I have, I've gone through an Estee Lauder. This is the eye cream. So I've gone through that. And I've gone through, this is the Glow Recipe. This is the moisturizer, the watermelon. I don't know exactly what it's called. But anyway, I love this. I love this product. It smells so good. It's just, there's just not a lot in there. They make their glass really thick. So you think you're getting a lot, but you're really not. So kind of bummed about that aspect. Now I have another, oh, this is a blush, and I just don't, the color's just not me. So I'm getting rid of it. I never use it. So there's a makeup product. Then I have another lip product. This one's from, I think this one's from Ciate, and it's the Watermelon Glow lip oil, kind of whatever. It's gone. And then I have another one right here. Oh, what is this? Oh, this isn't in here. It's supposed to be in here. Oh, yes, it is. Why did I put this one in here? Because it was so messy. This is the Juicy lip product, but it's really, it's just messy. So, you know, I wonder, now that I'm here with it, if I can, yeah, it's just goopy. See that? It's just like, I don't know. I actually really like the color, but I don't think I could get it to go smoothly on my lips. So anyway, I don't know. It's real sticky. I don't want to put it over what I have, which, by the way, my makeup is all Tarte makeup. I did a 7 for $77 sale deal at Tarte, and so I have that video. You might want to look at that. I think it'll probably be up before this one I'm filming. So anyway, I wonder if this is meant to be a lip plump. It's kind of got a cooling feel. Anyway, I do like the product. It just seemed really goopy and gross. Okay, these two little things are, actually smells pretty good. These are perfumes that you just roll on, but I never use them. They're kind of gross. I don't know. It doesn't really go on. I think they're old. They smell gross on. They're gross. Okay. So there's those. And the last product is my By Row lip oil. I've bought this a couple of times because I love it so much. There's something about By Row. Right now I'm using a lot of By Row skincare, but there's something about this lip oil that it's just, I call it a botanical kind of smell and taste. I don't know. It's just different. So when I say botanical, it just kind of is woodsy or leafy, like, I don't know, but in a good way. So I mean, I scraped the sides. I've been, you know, tried to lay it on an angle, and there's still a little bit down here, but the scraper won't get it. So I don't know, kind of bummed about that. I wish they had this a little bit longer. I mean, I know it has to fit, but anyway. So I do have another one I pulled out. So yes, we're still into the By Row lip oil. I put it on every day after I shower. This is the first thing I put on. Put on this, and then I spray my face with a toner. So anyway, which I'll probably have one of these in here in the next month or two. But anyway, so that's it. So this is all my lovely beauty empties. Let me know what you think of the products, or if there's any that stand out to you that you would like to try or buy, or if you have any questions about any of these, go ahead and ask them below in the comments. So So that's it. Thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. And so I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.